Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I, I want to make a video game. This is the ninth video that is about OSPF right now. So the previous video, in the first video, I'm talking about the PNet and also CCNP and also the AGRP. And in the second to the sixth to the eighth video, I'm talking about the dynamic growth. It's AGRP, the hybrid EGP, the Internet Gateway Protocol. So right now, I'm gonna talking about the OSPF. So what is OSPF? OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. It's an EGP interior gateway protocol based on link state technology. In the EGP there's three. There is disinfector for the RIP, and then there's the link state for OSPF and ISIS, and then the last is hybrid for the AGRP. So hybrid is the combine from the link state and disinfector. So based on link state technology, just for exchanging routing information with a single AS, with a single autonomous system. And also for the algorithm for OSPF is using gstruct for SPF. This algorithm to calculate the best or shortest path in OSPF. Instead of writing the entire routing table, OSPF exchanges topology information, make it faster and more efficient compared to distant vector virtual protocols like RIP. So is the explanation about the OSPF detail. This OSPF. So OSPF using the algorithm SPF or gstruct, and the algorithm of SPF is choosing the lowest cost for the best path. So how to counting the cost is using metric. The formula is reference bandwidth. It is slash to the interface bandwidth. For default reference bandwidth is 100 Mbps. So the example, fast Ethernet 100 Mbps. So the cost is 1. And gigabyte Ethernet 1000 Mbps, cost is 1, but it's random down, needs reference adjustment. As you can see in here, there is the topology. There's A, B, C, D, T, F until F. Yeah. If A one go to let me see. If B one go to, if F wanna go to C, yeah, F wanna go to C, there is two-way or exchanges the information to the C. There's two-way. For the first is F to C, and the second is F to B and go to the C. So first we're counting first. F to the C is the metric for the cost. For the cost is 40, and F, B to C, F to B is 20 and B to C is 10. So what the OSPF will choose F to C or F B to C. So the OSPF for the algorithm, it will choose F B to C because why? Because the lowest cost is F B to C. Because F to B is 20 and B to C is 10. So if we count it, it will be 30. It will equal this 30. But F to C is 40. So the way for this for the whole package is with F, B, and last is C. And OSPF version 2 is OSPF the version this is for IPv4. There is a OSPF version 3 that it will be CAN IPv6. So what the characteristic for OSPF version 2 is the administrative distance here for the it's 110, and then he's supposed to VFSM and CADR, and then equal load balancing only. Equal load balancing. If there's the wait. The best path will be the first path, and then the other path will be reserve. It will be alternative. Using area concept. So the OSPF is divided the area that make a split. There is OSPF area 1, OSPF 0, the backbone, and area 1, there's area 2 and 3 for make it easy for the routing table. Now the entire topology. That the OSPF version 2 it know the entire all of this topology area, not like OSPF and not like RIP. And there's routing type, there's backbone, and then here internal route, and there is other. There's other border routes there, and then also the last is autonomous system boundary router, or we call it iceberg. So the backbone is the router with the last one interface in area 0, and the border the backbone is the brain for the this is the LSDB for the database for OSPF, and internal router is all interface with the same area. So in one area there is maybe at least 2. If area 3 like this, we call it ER because it's still the same in one area. And then go to the ABR, area border router, is connected multiple areas, include area 0. So area 1 to the area 3, that's we call it ABR, that connected to area 0. And that is SBR, or autonomous system border router, is redistribute external routes equal form BGP, RIP, or AGRP. it's the main agency OSPF, DR, and VDR. There's VR and VDR. So, Universitas Network, our router exchanges LSA listed at LSA, listed station. Yeah, for it's the traffic overhead will explode and if the Multicast network. So the solution is DR and VDR. So DR is main hub for LSDB exchange, and VDR is the backup if the DR is failed. And other routes, there are others formed for agency only with DR and VDR. So DR, how to choose it? Based on SPF priority. The default is 1, configurable 0 until 255. If priority ties the same router with the Hygo server ID, it will be chosen. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching my explanation about SPF first.